A great place to come to get a real flavour of a county is its market. And the market here at Carmarthen is no exception. It's full of fine local produce and lovely friendly people, including Mr. Carmarthen Ham himself, Chris Rees.
Well, we call ourselves Welsh produce merchants. Basically, we butchers, delicatessen. We do all our own cooking, our own sausages, our own faggots. So basically, we pork butchers in a way. This is a Carmarthen ham. This one is approximately 8 months old, I would imagine. We buy the pigs in, we cut them up in a special way. We then cure this by hand. Salt, our secret recipe, and thyme. The recipe for Carmarthen ham has been handed down from generation to generation. It's very similar to a Parma ham. But my story goes, years ago, when the Romans tried to conquer Wales, they pinched our recipe for Carmarthen ham, and now they call it Parma ham. My great-great-grandmother, she used to go to Llanelli and Carmarthen markets. On the way to market, she used to call in other farms, like all the way on the route to Llanelli market, and then she would sell her goods first, and then the rest of the neighbours' goods afterwards. My grandmother then spread out really. Once they had motor vehicles, they went to maybe Lyfrgell Market, Pembroke Dock, Haverfordwest, and then the business then changed in a way. Years ago, the men used to tend to the land, and my great grandmothers and whatever, they used to do the market. But by now, we all do it. It's our livelihoods now. We don't farm any longer. It's just, this is what we do.